It's your boy, man, back with another video, man. Back with another banger, man. As y'all can see, man, I got the GoPro set up right there on the back. We got some footage for y'all coming today, man. I'm about to get some pops and crackles going. Let me get back with y'all in 1 second, man. Yes, sir. It's a good gang, man. About to get y'all some footage of this exhaust, man. That big boy exhaust. You know what I'm saying? Just a mid-month delete. Mid-month. We're in regular mode right now, not in sports, so it's not opened up just yet. You hear me? I'm gonna go ahead and get that thing opened up here in a few. Try to slide downtown, man. Get these sounds bouncing off the buildings down there. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man? QC right there, baby. For the city, I put on for my. Go ahead and put this baby in sport, man. Sport. Let's get it popping, people. You hear me? Y'all with me? Downtown in this beautiful city, man. Beautiful city, QC. Throw that thing in manual for y'all, man. Y'all ready? About 2,000, 2,500 RPMs. Yeah, y'all hear it, man. Down first. Get up. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. I swear she sells something. Can't make it up. Big Hemi, big 6'4". It's a 6'4", man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. I can't stress this enough, man. This content gonna keep coming. All 2021, man. Yes, y'all hear what's going on? Y'all hear what's going on, man? 4th gear right now. I'm about to bust it down. We only doing like 28 miles per hour, man. Back to 3rd. Not much pop. Yeah, y'all hear that? Beastie. Yes, man. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get this camera turned around so y'all can see the city. You hear me? I'm still gonna be talking to y'all though, man. Still gonna give y'all these pops and crackles, man, from this GoPro though. You hear me? But y'all gonna get this city view, man. It's beautiful out here tonight. mid Muffler on the lead. $200, man. Y'all can't drop that. They say it do a little bit to the performance, you know what I'm saying? Kill the performance a little bit or whatever. But that, hey, shit, take this sound to a whole nother level. You hear me? All right. Hell out of them. Scared the hell out of them, yes sir. They was shook. Backfire, officer. A little backfire from that engine. Yeah, man. Yes, y'all here, man. Big 6'4". Get it, my boy. Yes, sir. Come on out, fella. Come on out. Yes, sir. Roll it on up. Yes, sir. That the lamb truck behind me? She bad. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Oh, done peeled out. Jeez. Let's go out there and get that thing for y'all. Oh, don't run the red light. Red light, didn't he? Did I see that wrong? I gotta review the footage. Play back on the scene, man. That thing clean and it sound good too. Yes, y'all here, baby. All in this railroad track. That shit clean, my boy. Jeez. Y'all see the wheels on that thing, player? It's definitely a Lamborghini Urus. You got it on the plate, fella. Blacked out, satin or matte. Y'all let me know. That shit clean. I think we can get him. I gotta put this thing in regular. sir. The Lamborghini was clean, man. Drop that comment down below and let me know. Y'all like that joint, man. I can't get enough of that, man. I can't. I swear I can't. It sounds so good. Can't tell me that don't sound good. Come on, man. No tune. None of that. Just a straight mid-month delete, man. Mid-month delete, man. I can't make it up, man. Yes, man. Y'all see how we coming, man. Big 6'4", man. I can't make it up, family. Y'all see the halos, like it's the Hulk out here, baby. Big Hulk, big 6'4", man. That's how we're gonna go ahead and end out this video, man. Y'all see the drip. Putting on for the city, man. G-Bezos, all whites, whatever y'all wanna call them, man. We're gonna go ahead and end this thing out, man. Till next time, I'ma holla at y'all. Yes, sir.
Nowadays you don't know who real and who fake. It's tight, I'm trusting that niggas be snakes. Every day my birthday, I'm getting that cake. If it touch my hands, I'ma make it shake. Still busting down, selling apes and quakes. Jigging up things, watching out for the